Welcome to Creative Learn channel. Today I am going to start 6th class maths along with 5th maths. Okay, here is the first chapter, knowing our numbers from 6th class maths. Okay, before getting into exercise, let's have some basic concepts regarding this chapter. Okay, first one, concept of number. Concept of number means what? What is a number? First of all, what is a number? Let's discuss on this. Next, second one, forming a number. Forming a number means how can we form a number? Number ni ela form chestam? And rules in forming a number means which rules we have to consider to form a number. అంటే ఒక నెంబర్ని రాసేటప్పుడు మనం ఏ రూల్స్ కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్, న్యూమరికల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ గివెన్ నెంబర్ నేమ్. Numerical representation of given number name means what? How can we write a number? How can we give a numerical representation to a number name? అంటే ఒక నెంబర్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు, అంటే వర్డ్స్లో సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలి అంటే వర్డ్స్లో నెంబర్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దాన్ని న్యూమరికల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ అంటే నెంబర్లో ఎలా రాస్తాం. లెట్స్ డిస్కస్. నెక్స్ట్, కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫేస్ వాల్యూ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ. ఫేస్ వాల్యూ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ. In Telugu, face value means muka viluva, place means sthanam, place value means sthana viluva. And what are the differences among these three? What are the differences among these three? Means face value, place value. What are the differences? Asal వీటి మధ్య difference ఏంటి? Let's know. Next, last one, comparison of numbers. How can we compare a number among given numbers? కొన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అందులో ఒక నెంబర్ని ఎలా కంపేర్ చేస్తాం మిగతా నెంబర్స్తో. And how can we identify greatest or smallest number among given numbers? కొన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అందులో నుంచి గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏది, స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏది, ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం. ఓకే, లెట్స్ డిస్కస్ ఆన్ దిస్ టాపిక్స్ రైట్ నౌ. వన్స్ వీ గెట్ దిస్ వీ కెన్ ఈజీలీ డూ ద ఎక్సర్సైజ్. షెల్ వి స్టార్ట్? ఓకే, వాట్ టు వెయిట్ ఫర్? లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. Digits. Okay, we know the digits. Starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These all are the digits. How many digits we have in our number system? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many digits? 10 digits we have. By using these 10 digits, we can form any number. So how many numbers are there in our number system? Let's write. What comes after 9? 10 comes, we know 10. Next 11, 12, just it's going on. Now 10, keenly observe here. 10 in 10, how many digits there? 0, 1, 2 digits there. For example, 325. Here how many digits there? 1, 2, 3. Total 3 digits there. So any number you can take, you can observe digits in that number. So all numbers can form by using these digits only. These 10 digits are the base for any number. Smallest number here 10. Then what is the greatest number? What is the greatest number? First, any number we can form using these 10 digits and we can repeat these digits while writing a number. So what is the greatest number? For example, here I am writing a number. First I am taking 8, then 2, 3, 9, 7, 6, 4, 0, 9, again 9, 8. So this process is going on. So we can form any number using these digits. But how can we say the largest number in our number system? We can't say, because just keenly observe here, only 10 digits. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి 10 digits మాత్రమే, కానీ ఈ 10 digits యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఎంత పెద్ద నెంబర్నైనా రాయొచ్చు. సో ఎంత పెద్ద నెంబర్ అయినా రాయొచ్చు కాబట్టి పెద్ద నెంబర్ మీన్స్ గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏది అని అంటే చెప్పలేము. వీ కెన్ ఫార్మ్ ఎనీ నెంబర్ విత్ n నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డిజిట్స్, అంటే ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ అయినా ఉండొచ్చు ఆ నెంబర్లో. సో వీ కాంట్ సే ద గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్. సో we can show the greatest number means last number with lemniscate symbol, or else simply infinity, what we call infinity, infinity. Okay, or else lemniscate symbol means what? Endless. Infinity means endless. ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ అయినా రాయొచ్చు. గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్ని చెప్పలేము, లాస్ట్ నెంబర్ని చెప్పలేము, అంటే నెంబర్స్ ఎంతవరకైనా ఉండొచ్చు. నౌ లెట్స్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ప్లేసెస్. ఫస్ట్లీ టేక్ వన్ నెంబర్ 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the number. We don't know the number name of this number. First, let's know the places. First, ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. This one, crores, 10 crores. These are the places of this number. Okay, let's divide this according to their periods. For example, here ones, tens, hundreds. These three are one period. Let's divide this. Next, thousands, 10,000. First here ones, tens, hundreds. This one is the ones period. Okay, next thousands, 10,000s. This is the thousands period. Let's divide this. This is the thousands period. Why? Because in this period thousands only there. This one is the lakhs period. Next, crores, 10 crores. This is the crores period. Here total how many periods there? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. Total how many periods? 4 periods there. Total how many? 4 periods there. And total here how many places there? 1, 2, 3 in ones period. Next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total how many places there? 9 places there in this number. Okay, 9 places, 4 periods. Okay, let's write this all briefly. Okay, let's have the chart here. Place value chart. First here I am taking the digit 1. This one is the ones place. Ones. Next, when we multiplying the 1 with 10, we can get the tens place digit. Next, tens. First write the all places, ones, tens. Next, hundreds, hundreds. After that, thousands, thousands. Next, 10,000s, 10,000s. Next, lakhs. Next, 10 lakhs. Crores, 10 crores. Up to crores period enough for you because you are just 6th standard only now. Okay, these are the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. These are the places. Now we can write the numerical representation. First, ones means only 1. When we multiplying 1 with 10, we get the tens place. Next, when we multiplying 10 again with 10, we get the 100 place. Means what? At every time we can multiply with the 10. Here also. Now here also multiply with 10. What we get? 1000. Again multiply with 10. We get 10,000. Just observe here. Just observe here. Each time we get one more zero here. Just one zero adds here. Here 4 zeros there. Then next in lakhs how many zeros? 5 zeros because we are multiplying with 10. Okay, 4 zeros. Now 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again multiply with 10. Now we get 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again multiply with 10. We get 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again multiply with 10. We get 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Okay. After this one, again we get multiplication, we get the 100 crores number. Just this process is going on. Okay. See here, ones, tens, hundreds. These three are the ones period. Let's divide this. These three are the ones period. This period is called ones period. Next, here thousands, 10,000s. These two are the thousands period. Thousands period. Next, here lakhs, 10 lakhs. These two are the lakhs period. Next, crores, 10 crores. These two are the crores period. Okay, total how many periods? 4 periods. Total how many places? 9 places. Because here thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. Each period has only 2 places, but ones period has 3 places. Here 6 plus 3. Total how many places? 9 places. Just remember, total 9 places. How many periods? 4 periods we have. Now, how can we identify a number? Just see here. After each period, keep the comma. For example, here one number there. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 4, 1, 2. This is the number. Now we have to write the number name of this number. How can we write? First, keep the commas. Okay, first keep the commas. First, identify the places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds place over means one period completed. After completion of one period, we have to keep the comma here. So, period completed, we kept the comma here. Next, thousands, 10,000s. Thousands period completed. Just keep the comma here. Next, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Again, lakhs period completed. We have to keep the comma. Now, crores, 10 crores. Okay, now, this one is the ones period. This one is the thousands period. And this one is the lakhs period. This one is the crores period. Now, just easily identify the number name. Here, how many crores there? In crores period, 92 crores there. How many lakhs there? 34 lakhs there. How many thousands there? 58 thousands there. And how many hundreds there here? 412 there. Now what is the number name? 92 crore, 34 lakhs, 58,412. This is the number name. Once again, 92 crores, 34 lakhs, 58,412. This is the number name. Okay, shall we try one more? Let's try. Okay, here I am writing one more number. 952830152. This is the number. Now we have to write the number name of this number. First, any number we get. Okay, first take any number. First we have to identify the places. Let's identify the places and keep the commas. Okay, first ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds over means ones period completed. We have to keep the comma here. Next, thousands, 10,000s. Thousands period completed. Again keep the comma here. Next, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Again lakhs period completed. Keep the comma here. Next, crores, 10 crores. Crores period also completed. Now we have the number like this. We already knew the places. Now this one is the ones period and this one is the thousands period. This one is the lakhs period and this is the crores period. Tell me now, how many crores there? 95 crores there. Okay. How many lakhs there? 28 lakhs there. How many thousands there? 30,000s there. And which number there in ones period? 152. Now write the number name. Okay. Total in crores period, how many crores there? 95 crores means 95 crores 28 lakhs 30,152. This is the number name. Let's write here 95 crores. Here when we are showing numerical representation we have to keep the comma, but when we are writing number name no need of comma. Okay, నెంబర్ నేమ్ రాసేటప్పుడు మధ్యలో కామర్స్ పెట్టాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు వన్ పీరియడ్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత. హియర్ 95 crores. నెక్స్ట్ హౌ మెనీ ల్యాక్స్? 28 lakhs. 28 lakhs. నెక్స్ట్ హౌ మెనీ థౌజండ్స్? 30,000s. 30,000. హౌ మెనీ హండ్రెడ్స్ దే? 152. 152. This is the number name. Take any number, just identify the places, then keep the commas, then according to period wise you can write the number name. Okay, now
ఈ వీడియోను వీక్షించినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మా తదుపరి వీడియోలను వీక్షించడానికి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ వీడియో. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.